In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin emails in Outlook on the taskbar. If you've ever needed to keep a critical message just one click away, this method is for you. We'll use the Outlook desktop app on Windows and the Windows taskbar to create a convenient shortcut to a specific email. You won't add any add-ins or move messages around, just a simple built-in pin so you can jump straight back to that email whenever you need it. Start by opening Microsoft Outlook. Make sure you're in the desktop application rather than a web browser tab. This process relies on Outlook creating a separate window for the message you want to pin. Next, open the email you want to pin by double-clicking it. Double-clicking is important because it pops out the message into its own window, separate from the main Outlook window. If you're used to reading emails in the reading pane, still double-click so you get that distinct standalone email window. With the email now open in its own window, shift your focus to the Windows taskbar at the bottom of your screen. You'll see the Outlook icon there, and if you have multiple Outlook windows open, Windows will group them. Each open window, including your email, will appear as a small preview when you interact with the Outlook icon. Right-click the Outlook icon on the taskbar. This brings up a menu and, in many setups, also shows previews of the open Outlook windows. You should see a preview that matches the subject line of the email you just opened. Now right-click the preview of that specific email window. This right-click targets the individual message window rather than the Outlook app as a whole. You'll see a context menu related to that window. Finally, click Pin to Taskbar. Windows will create a dedicated taskbar icon for that exact email. From now on, you can close and reopen Outlook, and that pinned icon will remain on your taskbar. Clicking it will reopen the same message instantly, saving you from searching or filtering. If you ever don't see the pin to taskbar option, it can be due to your Windows or Outlook version or organizational settings. Updating Windows and using the desktop Outlook app typically provides the option. To remove the shortcut later, simply right-click the pinned icon and choose Unpin from Taskbar. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook, double-click the email to give it its own window, right-click the Outlook taskbar icon, right-click the email's preview and choose Pin to Taskbar. It's a small tweak that makes a big difference in staying on top of your most important messages.